Imagine a world where dinosaurs still roamed, a primordial sea teeming with creatures we can only glimpse through fossils. Now, imagine one of those creatures, thought long extinct, suddenly appearing on a fishing boat, very much alive. This isn't science fiction, it's the astonishing true story of the coelacanth, a fish so ancient, so utterly unique, it challenged our understanding of life itself. For millions of years, the coelacanth was a ghost. Its fossil record stretched back 400 million years, evolving alongside the first vertebrates to crawl onto land, yet vanishing from the fossil record around 66 million years ago, right around the time the dinosaurs disappeared. Scientists had long considered it a textbook example of a creature that simply didn't make it. It was a relic, a silent testament to a bygone era. No one, absolutely no one, expected to ever see one alive. Then came December 22, 1938. Off the coast of East London, South Africa, a local trawler, the Nareen, brought up its catch. Among the usual sharks and rays was something extraordinary. A large, steel-blue fish, nearly 5 feet long, with peculiar lobe fins and a strange, almost reptilian head. The ship's captain, Hendrik Goosen, was baffled. He knew it was something special, something he'd never seen in decades of fishing. He contacted Marjorie Courtney Latimer, a young, passionate curator at the East London Museum. What happened next would rewrite biology textbooks around the world. Marjorie Courtney Latimer arrived at the dock, and the moment she saw it, she knew. This wasn't just another strange fish, it was something profoundly different. Its fins, unlike the typical ray fins of most fish, were fleshy, limb-like, almost suggesting the beginnings of legs. Its scales were thick, armor-like. Despite her immediate suspicion that it was something ancient, she faced an uphill battle. The fish was already beginning to decompose in the South African heat, and without proper preservation, its scientific value could be lost. She desperately tried to get it preserved, but local facilities were inadequate. In a stroke of ingenuity, she had the skin and skull preserved and sent a sketch and description to Professor J.L.B. Smith, a renowned ichthyologist at Rhodes University. Professor Smith, upon receiving Courtney Latimer's letter and sketch, was initially skeptical. Such a discovery was unthinkable. But the details, particularly the description of the peculiar fins, kept gnawing at him. He recognized the unmistakable characteristics of a coelacanth, a fish only known from fossils. His disbelief quickly turned to utter astonishment and then a burning obsession. He confirmed it. This was Latimeria columni, the first living coelacanth ever seen. The news exploded across the scientific community and the world. The living fossil had returned. But the scientific community knew there had to be more than one. Professor Smith embarked on a relentless, 15-year quest, offering rewards for another specimen, traveling tirelessly through fishing villages along the African coast, driven by the conviction that where there was one, there must be others. His persistence paid off in 1952, when a second specimen was found near the Comoros Islands, an archipelago between Mozambique and Madagascar. This discovery finally revealed the coelacanth's true home: deep, dark volcanic caves and crevices, often at depths of 100 to 400 meters. This deep-water habitat, largely untouched by human activity, was precisely what had allowed this ancient lineage to survive undetected for so long. Modern research, using submersibles and ROVs, has allowed us to observe coelacanth in their natural environment. We've learned they are slow-moving, nocturnal predators, primarily feeding on smaller fish and squid. Their unique lobe fins, once thought to be a precursor to land limbs, are now understood as highly specialized adaptations for maneuvering in complex, turbulent underwater terrains, allowing them to walk along the seabed or perform precise movements in currents. Their incredibly slow metabolism and long lifespan, potentially over 100 years, are further adaptations to their cold, energy-scarce deep-sea world. But the coelacanth story isn't just about ancient survival, it's a testament to the vastness of what we still don't know about our own planet. The discovery of a second species, Latimeria menadoensis, off the coast of Indonesia in 1997, further expanded its known range and deepened the mystery. How many more populations are there? What are the specifics of their reproductive cycles? Given their deep water habitats and slow reproductive rates, coelacanth are incredibly vulnerable to even minor environmental changes and accidental bycatch from deep-sea fishing. Their rediscovery ignited a crucial conversation about deep-sea conservation long before the general public was aware of the fragility of these ecosystems. The coelacanth stands as a powerful symbol, a reminder that the deep ocean is not merely a void, but a living, breathing archive of Earth's history, holding secrets that continue to challenge and inspire us. Its continued existence, after all these millennia, tells us that the narrative of evolution is far more complex and surprising than we often assume. It forces us to confront our own perceptions of time and extinction, urging us to look beyond what we think we know. The coelacanth is more than just a fish, it's a living paradox, a creature that literally swam out of the past to remind us of the enduring wonders that still lie hidden in the deep. What other ancient marvels, we must ask, still lurk beneath the waves, waiting for their moment in the light? The coelacanth calls us to keep exploring, to keep questioning, and to protect these incredible realms before their secrets are lost forever. Join us next time as we dive into another chapter of Deep Sea Creature Files.